Hello friends, welcome to Sharing Minds channel. In today's video we are going to see how to create simple and impressive use case templates. Before we get into the design, I want to explain about what is use case and case study because I had the challenge of understanding what is use case and case study when I started my career. So I want to clarify this before we get on to the video. So use case is something where you have a requirement or a problem statement and you have a proposed solution to it. So you are yet to implement the solution, but you have a proposed solution which you are thinking that will work out for the requirement. Whereas case study is something like you already done the implementation of the solution and you have proven the case as successful. So that is called the case study. Hope now you have a clear understanding of what is use case and case study. Now let's get on into the video. So I have two simple and impressive templates to show for you today. So this is the first one and this is the second one. Here I want to explain about when we take use case, what are the key factors we have to put it down in the presentation when we go for any business forum. So the main thing we need is the use case details. That is the problem statement or the requirement what you are planning to project as a use case. The second one is the proposed solution. What you are planning, like what is the solution you are trying to bring in for the problem statement. And the third one is proposed framework, or it can be like how you are planning to do this work, how you are planning to implement a solution. So that can be written down here. And the fourth one would be the potential benefits, like what are the benefits you would foresee when you implement this solution. And the fifth one would be the dependency. While you are implementing the solution, like what are the dependencies you have, like what support you need, and what are the items you need for these items. You can write it down here. And the last one is about the risk or challenges. So while you do this solution, what are the risk or challenges you might foresee? So those details have to be presented as in one slider when you project it in your business forum. So having this in our mind, let's get into the design. So let me create a new slide, a blank one, and let's get on to design the first template. So I have an header and the basic shape used here is a rectangle. So here you can see I have a vertical placement, a bigger rectangle and then two smaller rectangle shapes and then three smaller rectangles. Even you can make it as an horizontal placement too. Here you can have a bigger horizontal and then two small horizontal rectangles. So however you feel it will fit your content, you can have it. So for now today's video I have a vertical placements of rectangle. So let's create an header as a first step. I'm going to use the same header placeholder here. Using the mouse, like I'm placing it on the top, and then I want to make it as bold. So go to home and make it as bold, selecting this, and then go to shape. I want to fill up the shape color. I want like sort of gray. You can use that. And next thing, the next step is like we start putting the shapes here. So go to insert shapes and then select the rectangle. I want to place it in the leftmost corner, a bigger one as we saw in the template. And then go to shapes and start changing the colors as you like. So I would like to place this color here, or we can have a little lighter shade too. Next we have the two rectangles beside to that. Repeat the same steps. Go to shape and have like two simple rectangles And using the keystrokes Control C and Control V, you can do a copy paste of the other rectangle too. Now I'm going to change the color of the second shape, a sort of blue, and the third one I want it to be a sort of little darker gray. Now I want 3 more rectangles. Repeat the same step again. Using your mouse, increase the size, adjust it to the slide, and do a copy paste and place the second one, and another copy paste and placing the third one, and I'm adjusting to the slide size. So repeat the steps. Okay, now we got the design. So the next step would be like inserting the text into the template. So go to insert and use the text box. So now I want to make the header as bold. Select the text, go to home and make it as bold, and I want to increase the font size. So do a Control A keystroke so that it selects all the text, and then I want to make it as 24. So likewise you can place the text in all the placeholders we have here, so that you end up creating a similar PowerPoint template. So looks, this is very easy to do. Let's move on to create the second template. Even this is very simple, and here I am just using 2 shapes. So the one is the circle and the second one is the triangle. Let's go and see how to easily create that. Create a new slide, and let me copy paste the same header, since I have already told you how to do that, need not repeat it. Remove all the placeholders here. So go to insert and then shapes, then have circle inserted, adjust the size using the mouse, and I want the color to be like bright blue, so select it. And I don't want an outline, so go to shapes, shape outline, and select no outline. Now I want the text near to it. The same step repeats. Go to insert and select the text. Now make the text as bold, and I want the color of the text font also to be the same color so that it looks good, and increase the size to maybe 24 or a smaller size so that it looks pleasing. And the new thing I'm going to teach you is about grouping. So we have two different shapes. One is text and another one is like a circle. So using the control key, like press onto the control key and select the second shape. Now you got it. So right click on the mouse and here you can say group it. So when you group it, like this appears as like a one single maybe say an item, one single item is here. So do a Control C and Control V. Now you got the second one. It is so easy. Here I want to change the color of the circle, maybe to a green. Repeat the same steps. Go to shapes and make it green. And even the text I want to change it to green. The same step again. Go to home and change the text to green. So likewise you keep on like filling the placeholders for the use case details, dependencies, potential benefits and risk. Now you can see here the triangles. So for the purpose of design, I placed here the triangle, but if you have any flow diagram or an application diagram or some diagram which explains about the use case, you can very well use this space to place the picture of that. So for now, let me place the diagram, I mean the triangle what I have. So go to insert, then shapes, select onto the triangle, place it here. I just want to adjust the size. Okay. Then I want to place a second triangle. You can do a Control C and Control V. So the second triangle should look upside down. So here you can see a rotating symbol. Just click onto that, use your mouse and turn it upside down. That's it, done. Then place it next to the previous triangle. So here the one concept I have used is I have matched each of the triangle to be in the color what I have here. So the first one I have in blue, and I'm removing the outline. The second one I have in green. So likewise you can keep on like adding the triangles and other placeholders and you end up in this template. Hope this was like pretty simple and easy for you. So for the purpose of like easily sharing and using this template, I have given a link in the description section. If you go on to that link, you can download these templates for free and you can use these templates just by opening the template, and you can edit these placeholders as per the content you want and you can use it for your own purpose. And all these templates are placed for free in the given link in the description. Hope you all liked this video, and please do subscribe, share and comment. If you feel you want to get the template of any specific presentation or PowerPoint topic, please do update in the comment so that I can prepare that and show you like how to create the template, or I can provide a free template in the blog I do have. So thanks for watching the video and wish you all a very happy new year ahead. Thank you. Bye.